How to activate your Milestone credit card without logging into any account. Let's get started. First up, the easiest method is simply calling the activation hotline. This is quick and perfect if you don't want to bother with setting up an online account. Just dial 800-305-0330. Once you are connected, follow the automated prompts. You will need to provide your card number, the expiration date, and CVV code, which is three-digit number on the back of your card. It's really that simple. Now, if you are someone who prefers activating online, you can use the Milestone card activation website. No need for a login account here either. Head over to milestonegoldcard.com/activate. You will need to enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV code, and they might ask you for a social security number for identity verification. Once you have filled that out, follow the prompts to complete activation, and you are done. After using either method, your card should be activated within minutes. You can start using your card for purchases right away. But what if you run into any issues? No problem, just give Milestone customer support a call and they will help you out. That's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily activate your Milestone credit card. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.